Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video, and thank you guys for always being there, for always being with me, and of course thank you for always sharing your results with me. I'm really happy that we are really doing very well this time around, and things are really working out for us, okay, most especially when we started using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. And you guys have also been following up with my training activities, and you've been following the instructions, and of course you guys are now becoming a better trader, and I'm really happy about that, because when you make money, that is when I am happy. Okay, if you don't make money, that means I'm doing nothing on this channel. So you are the one that is keeping me moving on to do more videos for you guys on this channel, because I noticed that you guys are making money based on the training activities I've been dishing out on my channel. Okay, I'm really happy about this. So quickly, in today's video, we will be looking at we will start a new training session today, and it's going to be focusing on the deadly traps that we should avoid whenever we are trading boom and crash. I will be picking them one after the other. There are some traps that are there in the market that you shouldn't fall for. Okay, you just need to avoid them whenever you are trading. Once you see them, you stay away from the market at that particular point. And of course, like you guys have known, I will just be saying some general things today, and in my next video I will build up on some of the things I will be introducing to you guys today, okay, so that we will know what to do whenever we see situations like that. Okay, so quickly, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out some deadly traps that we should avoid whenever we are trading boom and crash. Okay, boom and crash are synthetic indices, and of course they are a very unique type of asset that makes it very easy for us to milk the market successfully, except if you don't know how to avoid the spikes. Okay, and spikes is one of the deadly traps that we should avoid in boom and crash. Okay, and there are so many deadly traps. Of course, I'll say spikes is one of the most, is one of the deadly traps that we should avoid in boom and crash, and of course it is also a part of the trading that we can do on that same asset, that we can decide to trade the spikes also if you want. Okay, so there are some things you need to know before we can go on with what we have right here. Okay, you need to know the right trend to trade any of these assets. Okay, for instance, if you're not trading the spiky part, then definitely for boom, the market must be on downtrend before you can start trading. Okay, the market must be on downtrend before you can start trading. If you should check it out right here, when the market was on downtrend, you can see that we hardly see spikes happen. Okay, even when it happened, it still go down below this spiky area. Okay, and check out this, it spiked for a very long time, got to this region, but still went down, spiked up again, still went down. You can see it still got below the entry point. Okay, which means it will always put you in profit if you know the right trend to trade. Do not trade it, do not trade boom and crash on the other direction. Okay, for instance, we are focusing more. Okay, let me focus more on boom today, so that tomorrow we can now talk on crash. Then thereafter we discuss on other dead point, other deadly areas that we should avoid when trading any of these assets. Okay, you can see right here was when the market was on uptrend for boom, so which means you shouldn't sell within this region. If you sell within this region, then you are you are risking your capital at that point. You are risking, it is most likely you lose all your capital at that point. You can imagine you selling around here and it started spiking, got to this region, then got to this level. If your capital is not strong enough, then it is most likely you lose your money at that point. Okay, it is most likely you lose all your profits all your capital at that point. Okay, so that is very, very important. So you don't sell in boom when the market is on uptrend, because you will be caught up with the spiky candles around there. So you heard that right, you don't sell in boom when the market is on uptrend. Okay, it is very, very wrong. Okay, then there is also another thing you should avoid. Okay, you let's say the market is on downtrend. Let's see this. I'm looking for a very good opportunity. Okay, let me use this. You can see the market had been on downtrend for a very long time. Okay, you can see, and it is already getting to a major support zone. Okay, you don't need okay, we already know that here is a major support zone. Let me highlight it. We already know that here is a major support zone. Okay, you don't need to get to this level, okay, to get to that support zone before you close your trade. Okay, you can close your trade just before you get there. The profit you have been making since morning, since the beginning of the trend, should be enough for you at that point. If you try to do more than that, probably you feel that okay, I can close it around there. You can never say when it will start spiking. Of course, you already know that once it gets to a support zone or a major support zone, it is most likely we have spikes happening around there. You don't need to wait till it gets there before it will start spiking. Okay, so before you close your trade, you don't need to wait till you get there before you close your trade, because if you try to get there, what if it starts spiking just before it gets to your markup area as the support zone? Because if you are going to ask me, within this region and this region are the support zone, so you don't know when it will start spiking within that region. So once it starts spiking, you might not be able to close your trade easily at that point. Okay, so this is very, very important. So that is why it is important you know the right trend to trade any of these assets. For boom, if you are selling and you are not trading the spiky part, start from the resistance zone and sell till the market gets to the support zone. Okay, you can sell within the resistance zone and the support zone. Those areas are more secured for you to sell at that particular point, even when it spikes. So far you are using the right lot size that your capital can control, it will still take you back to profit. Okay, that is why some people will tell you, what if it spikes? Of course, spiking is part of the game, it is part of the trade. Some people are trading the spiky part. Okay, so you don't expect that we should eliminate that aspect. If that aspect is not there, then it is no longer called trading. Okay, it is no longer called trading, because you are exchanging, you are selling to someone while someone is buying from you. Okay, that is what is happening. You are in a broad market. Okay, so you should expect that. So when it spikes, then definitely so far you are in the right trend. Just know that, okay, so far you are in the right trend and you are using the right lot size that your capital can control. Just know that you will still get back into profit, except if you are on the wrong trend. For instance, you are selling when the market is on uptrend around there on boom charts, then definitely you are doing the wrong thing. So you shouldn't expect a right answer from there. Okay, because you are doing the wrong thing already, so definitely you should get a wrong answer at that point. Okay, guys, this is just an intro video into what we will be looking at. In this video, we will be looking at the ranging part, the fake entry point, and all these things. These are some of the things we are going to be looking at in this training session. So it's going to be well packed, and you're going to love every bit of it, so that you will know what to do whenever you see such thing that is happening at that particular point. So for now, I want you to understand what we have discussed in this video, which is focusing on the trend, knowing the right trend to trade the assets you want to trade. If you trade it on the wrong trend, then definitely you will be getting it wrong. So you can go back to the chart and try to identify this and see if you will make profit at it. Okay, someone once asked me how I've been making a lot of profit the way I have been sharing them on the Telegram channel. Okay, and I already understood where the person was coming from and what the person was trying to achieve. Okay, and I told her that okay, making profit is very easy with synthetic indices. All you just need to do is just to follow the trend, use the right lot size, and you are good with that. Okay, once you know the right trend and you use the right lot size, you are good with that. Okay, so that is it. You can imagine, let's say I placed an order here. Let me just quickly share this with you. Let's say I placed an order. Okay, let me see something. Okay, let's say I place an order around there. Okay, you can see the market is on downtrend at this point. Okay, I placed an order around there. The market got to this region, it spiked up to this region. You can see I'm in loss already. Let me bring out another horizontal line. Don't worry, I'm going to share more things with you during this training session. I'm sorry about this. Let me quickly just let me just say something about this so that you will understand how it works. Okay, and at this point, this is my entry point. It spiked from here to this region. I'm in loss. Okay, but I'm not going to close my trade because I have enough capital that my lot that can control my lot size. Okay, and it came down a bit, spiked up again. You can see this is a lot of loss. Okay, and definitely I'm still not going to close the order. Okay, because I'm very sure that it will come down. It kept on playing around here, going down and spiking, but later on it started coming down, got to the peak of my entry point, spiked up again. Okay, still came down again, but this time around it went below my entry point. I can close my trade immediately. It went below my entry point. That's in profit. And if I refuse to close it, it spiked up again to my entry point again, and of course went down again to give me more profit. You can see it will always go down below my entry point. The reason is I am trading within the right trend, so I should expect a right result. And of course, I'm using a very good lot size that will be easy for my capital to control. Okay, so that is it. It is as easy as that. So guys, I just decided to share that with you so that you will understand how to go about it. There are no two ways about it. Just understand the onions and you will know how to undo the situation. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. In case you are just joining us for the first time, feel free to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And you can also join the Telegram channel so that we can trade together just the way we have been doing for the past few days. So I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.